Sadly, the video didn't get the amount of likes I wanted. No likes, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It's windy outside. Well. Alright, now something's actually seriously burning. It doesn't smell. I mean, it smells. Not that bad. What you guys doing over here? We're gonna steal from them. Gimme! This gotta be new. What you guys doing? Well, I'm gonna go turn it in. Well, I'm only in there for a little while. Also, because there's not much to do. I got an egg. Oh, mama!